Hello friends, let us see how to make Goan style plantain fry. We need some raw banana or plantain, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, rice flour, rava or semolina and some oil. Let us cut and peel the raw banana. First cut the top and the bottom part of the raw banana. Now cut the raw banana into two pieces. You may apply some coconut oil to your palm before peeling the raw banana. You can peel the plantain using a peeler, or you can try this method which I am showing in the recipe today. With a sharp knife, remove the peel of the raw banana. Take care not to cut deep into the raw banana while removing the peel. Slice the plantain into thin slices after peeling. Immediately after peeling, add the plantain slices in water to avoid discoloration. Drain the water after 10 minutes. Apply red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt. This recipe is also known as Kelyachyo Fodi and is a Goan vegetarian recipe. Let us prepare the coating. In a plate, add rava, rice flour, turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt and mix well. Coat the raw banana slice in the prepared rava. Keep it aside. Repeat the same with the rest of the plantain slices. Heat a frying pan and add oil. After oil gets heated, place the raw banana slices on the frying pan. Spread little oil on top of the plantain slices. Always remember to cook on low flame. Flip after 10 minutes. Cooking time will depend on the thickness of the raw banana slices. Thinner slices will cook faster. After 5 minutes, flip one more time. Poke the raw banana to check if it is cooked. If it gets bricked easily, then it is cooked. Else continue cooking for few more minutes. Goan style fried plantain or Kelyachyo Fodi are ready. Serve hot. Please do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.